Halo, halo. Did you know it means mix mix, fun, right? Just like this dessert, it's a mix of delicious ingredients. Imagine there are beans, fruits, jelly, and ice, then topped with milk and leche flan. Makes you hungry, doesn't it? This dessert is very popular in the Philippines. Wherever you look, you'll find it, especially during summer. It's incredibly delicious, especially when it's hot. Besides relieving fatigue and heat, you'll be wowed by the taste of halo halo. It's not just a dessert, you know? It's part of Filipino culture. Here you'll see the variety of food in the Philippines and our love for sweets. Every family has their own version of halo halo. But no matter what you mix in, everyone will come together for a delicious and fun conversation. Come on, let's make our own halo halo adventure. Let's grab the ingredients and start mixing. Making halo halo is like an art project, but in a glass. There are many ingredients you can use. Here are some you can use. For the sweet base: 1 cup of sweetened red beans, 1 cup of sweetened white beans, 1 cup of sliced jackfruit, 1 cup of sliced sweetened bananas, half a cup of uba halaya, and half a cup of leche flan. For the crunch and texture: 1 cup of crushed ice, half a cup of pinipig, and 1/4 cup of sago. For the creamy finish: 1 cup of evaporated milk and 1/4 cup of condensed milk. You can add or reduce the ingredients depending on your taste. You can also add your favorites. Use your imagination and create your own version. Now comes the most exciting part: building our halo halo masterpiece. Let's start with the beans. In a tall glass, layer a spoonful each of sweetened red beans and white beans. Next, the fruits. Add a spoonful each of jackfruit and banana on top of the beans. Add ube and leche flan. Gently add ube halaya and a slice of leche flan. Add ice. Fill the glass with crushed ice until it's almost full. Sprinkle with toppings. Add pinipig and sago on top of the ice. Pour the creamy goodness. Pour evaporated and condensed milk on top. Mix and enjoy. Using a long spoon, mix all the ingredients and enjoy the explosion of flavors and textures. Want to make your halo halo extra special? Here are some tips. Ice cream power. Add a scoop of ubi or mango ice cream for a creamier and tastier treat. Fresh fruit burst. Add sliced mango, ripe papaya, or even some berries for a fresher taste. Sweet and salty surprise. Sprinkle some crushed peanuts or a pinch of salt for a unique twist. Remember, there are no rules in making halo halo. Enjoy, experiment, and make this classic Filipino dessert your own.